Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase notification sound volume on Mac. So if notification sound on your Mac are so quiet that you often miss incoming alerts, messages or reminders, you don't necessarily need to increase your speaker volume. macOS has a separate alert volume control that especially adjusts the loudness of notification sound and other system alerts. Increasing this volume makes notification sound easier to hear without affecting other sound settings. So if you'd like to make your notification sound louder, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple menu and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll a bit and go to Sound. Now under Sound Effect, locate the alert volume slider and simply drag the slider to right until you reach your preferred notification volume. As you adjust the slider, you can also choose an alert sound from the list. As soon as you click on alert sound, you can see a alert sound as soon as you take the cursor to that, and once you finish with the selection, close system settings, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.